Take this apart. God, that thing out of the mud, burn my finger. What's good, Grizzly Squad? It's your boy Grizzly Ryan back with another daggone video. So today, y'all, all right, as y'all seen in the last video, hold on, wait. All right, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. I'm gonna say it twice because I really want you to do it. All right, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna say it 3 times. All right, because I'm coming out with bangers every single goddamn day. And if you see my fleet of cars, I got the 300. That's my bad. That's my Mazda. This is my 300. All right, so this is my 300, man. My 300S, my V8. You see how black the windows is? Woo, it's tinted so good. This is Black Beauty, and Beauty is her name, man. So I'm just heavily modding my 300, man. I know in my last video, everybody was like, oh, you're gonna sell the 300? No, I'm not gonna sell the 300. All right, so y'all can go ahead and stop that. It was just kind of a clickbait type thing, and it worked. But Dodge Charger or something with a supercharger will be coming to the channel. I don't know if it'll be soon, I don't know if it'll be later, but it definitely will be coming to the channel. That's something that I really want to bring to the channel, and I really want to get for me, and really want to see how the difference is before they're naturally aspirated to the pro charger, supercharger, whatever. And like I said, I am going to be pro charging this 300, so I'm trying to get like in the 500s or whatever, trying to be faster than the Scat Pack. So this will be my Scat Pack, so I will not be trading in my 300 for a Scat Pack for everybody that was worried. All right, yeah, that's what I want to say about that. And then also I got the coolant. I didn't update y'all on the coolant. Let me show y'all real quick. All right, so the coolant was a pinkish type color. Y'all see I filled it up back to where it needs to be. So I got that. So well, the coolant was only like $20. I was worried that it was going to be purple, whatever the guy was telling me, but he actually brought the right one. So my coolant, everything is up to date. I don't even use that. I haven't even drove it because it's been snowing and raining in Maryland. Anybody on the East Coast, you already know. And if y'all see it, it actually been snowing in Texas too, which is crazy. Like, it was a good snow. It wasn't just a light snow, because I know it does snow in Texas, but it was actually snowing hard. Like, it probably got a good 1 or 2 inches of snow. That's crazy. But what I did today, had to get my oil change to my Mazda 3. I got that done because I drive it. That's my daily. I drive it back and forth to work. So that's my beater car. So I got that done. Also my a little knob fell off the thing, but I got it done. I fixed it myself. Really truly easy. But today, y'all, today I'm gonna be modding my 300 again. I'm not gonna be moving her, but of course you already know I'm gonna hit y'all with the cold start. All right, so let's go ahead and go get this cold start on the way. Let's go. I love it. All right, everybody, So I always do my cold starts and everything like that. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off because I'm not gonna be taking it anywhere, not today, because the roads are too salty, and I'm not trying to get, you know, Black Beauty all dirty and everything, because she's a black car, and if anybody knows, black cars are hard to keep clean. All right, so I let the 300 do all that salty work. But like I said, y'all, I'm about to add these to the 300. Oh yeah, everybody that got the stickers, and I still have a few more stickers, like I said, so hit me up if you want the stickers, y'all. All right, I got not a lot, I say a few. I think I have 3 or 2 of each, but the green, I still have the green, so anybody wants green, hit me up, man. I still have all the green, but I have 3 or 2 of each of the rest. So, and my bad, I only have 1 of the red. Okay, I forgot about that. Somebody got 1 today. So look what I got. These, I got the 300 door thing, so when the door opens up, the 300 will be on the floor, y'all. I got these from eBay. They were about, how much were they? They were $70. They were $70 for both sets. I think you get them for $35 or something like that. Yeah, $35 for one. So one of these is $35, you know, so you go ahead and get it, and it should have the 300. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be installing these, and yeah, we're gonna go into the video. Hopefully it shows, because it's still a little, you know, bright outside, but hopefully it shows out really good. So here we go. All right, so I'm daggone near in the water. See the water right there. See, y'all got me working out here, man. So this is real easy. I think all it does is pop out. I think I need a screwdriver or something like that. Let me see. Yeah, I think I need a screwdriver. I think I could do it with my hand. Nope, gotta do it with the screwdriver. All right, let me get a screwdriver to install this real quick. All right, so I will be putting the link. Hold on, let me see. So I will be putting a link to where I got these. I got them from eBay. eBay is like my best friend, and Amazon is my best friend right now. I've been on eBay and Amazon like faithfully, just looking for different mods, different parts to keep the content for the channel, and also for my benefit too, to you know, heavily mod out my car. So let me see what I'm about to do now. So I think you just pop it open like that. Just bow. See, comes out. Oh yeah, it got that thing. So it's just what they call it, plug and play. So that's what it is, plug and play. So let's see. Wow, so it looks really crazy. It looks magnetic, like when you look at it. Sorry about the ash, and it's cold outside. Don't worry about that, man. So yeah, it looks magnetic. I don't know. So I guess it has the 300 emblem in there. So we're to see. I had to take this apart. Shit. God, that thing hot as a bug. Burn my finger. Ah! I almost said something. That ain't hot. Thing burn the mess out of me, man. Woo! Alright, so that thing burned the mess out of my finger. So as y'all see, it's a bulb compared to like a LED type thing. So if it's LED, it should last pretty long, you know, compared to the bulbs. So I'm gonna store these somewhere where I can put them. I'm comparing the two. It's much clearer. Got the bulb and the motherboard to the LED. So here we go. Let's go ahead and install it. Plug and play. I love plug and play, man. Makes life so much easier. Ooh, ooh. I don't know if y'all see it. I don't know if y'all see it. All right, well, y'all see the 300 right there? So that's what's about to do. It's not gonna show right now. That's crazy. All right, it shows on my hand. Do I want it on that side? Is that the right side? Do they got like the left and right? I don't know if I want it on this side. I think I want the 300. Like when I open up the door. Nah, so I got it on the wrong side, as you see. There you go, I got it on the black side. So the 300 is on the wrong side. So maybe I gotta put that one on there. So let me go ahead and do that. Dude, they get hot fast, because I ain't even had the chain off for a long time. Hopefully this was better. Yeah, all right, cool. So the 300, so let me show y'all. The 300 is, oh man, let me go ahead and put it, just to go ahead and install it. It's easy. So the 300 is that way when you open up the door. So that's the left side, and I'm guessing this is the right side. So now I'm about to go to the right side. I think we got some more mail coming in. I'm looking like a creep right now behind my door. So the back is really easy to do. It's not really hard. All you do is plug and play, get that done. Everybody, if you want to get this done, what is about $70 to get it done, is really cool. I'm really trying to see like if the mail do come into my place. I hope so, because I need what I need. You feel me? Oops, sneak peek. Alright, but I'm about to go ahead and change the back, and hopefully I'm gonna get a better view at night for you guys. But this is pretty much a short video. It's not gonna be a really long video. I just wanted to talk to you guys and let y'all know all the mods and everything I'm gonna be doing to the channel. Like I said, I'm not gonna be getting, oh, let me switch my hand cramping up. Trying to do the Street Speed 717 hold, and I don't know, I did deadlifts yesterday, my hand cramped it up. All right, but I'm not gonna be getting the scat pack, like I said. It would be nice to bring to the channel, but I will be bringing something with supercharge or something, because this is pretty much gonna be my scat, because it's gonna be pro charge, trying to get it to like 500, so you know it's gonna be way faster than a lot of Mustangs, a lot of Chargers and stuff like that. All right, let me just go ahead and get that, because I'm gonna be the king of the 300s. You know, I see there's a lot of people out there with the 300s. No disrespect to you guys, I love y'all builds, but I feel like I'm the king of the 300s, because I'm posting this content every goddamn day for you guys, man. And I'm gonna be I started from the bottom and I'm gonna make my way to the top, you know. So I'm gonna be taking the throne. I just got that mindset, you know, that I'm gonna be doing that. No disrespect to y'all, I love everybody that got the 300s. A lot of builds are way better than mine could ever imagine, because they can do a lot more creative things with their hands. I really appreciate that. I love to see just the different versions. I'm not gonna be rambling all along, but I just like to see the different versions of the 300s, man. Y'all got some killer things, bro. But like I said, not gonna be getting the scat pack, even though it would be nice. Something else gonna be brought to the channel, and I'm sorry, y'all. I didn't mean to scare y'all. That was just a thumbnail, little clickbait, man. But 300 is here to stay. Black Beauty is here to stay. She ain't going no god daggone where, you know. So just get the lug nuts done. What one of my last videos, got the wicker build. What else I got? You know, you see her, man. Y'all see her. Y'all gotta check out my old videos to see everything that I have done to her already. Love this part about my car too, that carbon fiber. So I'm about to go ahead and change the last ones, and then what you're gonna see is a clip of how it looks like when the sun is going down or whatever. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace, Grizzly gang. I appreciate y'all for supporting your boy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel, man. Hit that bell, and comment down below what y'all think about what I should do to my modded 300, or what you think I shouldn't do, or what you think you didn't like or you like, whatever, you know. It's all there, man. Respect. Peace. That's 300 gang, huh? Peace.